Hi guys, it's Steve Spell too. I got my little girl here, Hannah Spell. We had a burglar last night, tried to break in. He used a tire jack, floor jack. He hit this window with everything he got. This is laminated glass. It's not supposed to break, it's not supposed to shatter. So, Hannah, without further ado, this is my daughter, Hannah Spell. She's gonna take a couple whacks at it with her sword. Hit it harder, Hannah. Harder. 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 Alright. Go stand over there by your papa.
My father could do it with his nunchucks.
Now we're about to get medieval with it with some nunchucks.
Oh wow, he's gonna break that thing. He's gonna break that thing. Look where the glass is shattered at the bottom.
Back up, Hannah.
That glass is impressive.
Use it at the bottom. Maybe you can crack it at the bottom. Get a couple of swings at the bottom.
It's not going to matter where I hit it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I told you to go to the bottom. You're cracking it.
All right.
Oh my God! What did he?
What was that fool thinking with a little tire jack?
I don't know.
Oh my God!
Wow. Any sissy could have broke a little piece of glass on the other side.
Yeah, and we didn't have it tempered here. Thing wore me out. Back up, Hannah.
My God!
Woo!
Hey! Break through it! It's impossible.
Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Trying to use my hand to keep the glass from hitting me in the eyes. Woo, look at my chucks.
Wow. Impressive piece of chucks.
Break through that thing.
Stand back.
Back, Hannah. Very dangerous maneuvers fixing to take place here.
Break through it! Break through it! Break through it! Break through that glass!
Daddy's coming to get you.
Okay.
Hey! Hey!
That's what I call breaking through a door.
Huh?
I'm all right now.
Looks like a guitar so far. Well, let's see if we
Tell
got
the glass man I want every window in the building to be made out of this. Tell the glass man. Tell the glass man. When the glass man cometh, I want every window in the building to be made out of this stuff right here.
It's tough, whatever.
By the time he breaks through it, he's gonna be too wore out to burglarize anything. Shit, he ain't even gonna know who his mama is. He's gonna be like, what's my bond and what's for breakfast? Cut.